In Easy Recon, as long as you have the book and bank files downloaded into an Excel file format, the reconciliation is as good as done. Here, the book files for July were downloaded. Thus, all I need to do is hit the button, super easy to process the reconciliation. Let us see how it works. I will now open the Easy Recon program file. As you can see, there is the July bank file and then July book file. That's all I need to do the bank reconciliation. So now the instruction is hit super easy for the process or for the reconciliation to start. If you look at the main tab, this is the pacing page or the main tab. There is no report yet here because the process hasn't begun. Once it's done, the pacing page or the main report will show on this main tab. So let's do it now. Let's see how it works. I will click super easy, and along the way on your bottom left corner you could see what the system is doing. The whole process took about 1 minute 39 seconds. If you go to the main tab, here are the reconciling item that you need to review. It's balanced to the last penny. So in effect, that is how the reconciliation is done. You download the book and bank file, hit super easy, and that's it.